Okay, you're going to go over quickly how to perform a bump test on your bump test station. And what you're going to be bump testing is your air monitor. This one is an Exam 2500. So first off, look at your bump test station. Make sure your cal gas is good. Look at your gauge there. Make sure you got enough cal gas in there. And take a look at your cal gas bottle and make sure it hasn't expired. You don't want any old cal gas because that can cause issues. Okay, first off, before you perform the bump test, what you want to do is make sure that your Exam 2500, your air monitor, is warmed up. So you've turned it on, you let it warm up, make sure there's no exclamation marks up here. So it's all warmed up. But before you ever perform a bump test, you always want to do a fresh air cal. You always do a fresh air cal before you're doing anything, before you do a bump test or before you're going to do a calibration reset or something on the bump test station. So first off, you want to perform the fresh air cal, like I said, and what you do is you push this blue button 3 times. This is after it's warmed up, like I said, and there's no exclamation mark. So you go ahead, push the blue button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You're going to get this fan cal selection there, and when you get that, you go ahead and push the green button 1 time. Okay, what it's doing now is it's doing a fresh air cal. So I usually give it about 3 or 4 blinks like that, like 3 or 4 seconds. Then go ahead and push the green button again. And it'll go ahead and go back to where it was when it's done there, to the fan cal. And when you get that, or actually it's that little play button that's highlighted. When you get that, just push the blue button and that'll bring it back to its setting. Now everything's zeroed. Now that you performed the fresh air cal, you're ready to perform a bump test on your bump test station. So all you got to do is just take it and pop it in. It's real simple. Pop it all the way in like that and let it do its thing. And what it's going to do is calibrate each one of those sensors. You see it's already done 3 of them. It's got 1 more left. Okay, it'll tell you to pop it out. So that's great. You just push this button and pop it out. Just give it some time here. And it's going to all settle back down because it's just been exposed to some gas. Now you can speed it up a little bit, I believe, by pushing the green button. And then go ahead and if you want to just do a fresh air cal, I would just make sure it's clear of any gas or anything like that. So you're all set. And then it looks good now, but if you wanted to be sure everything's clear again, you can go ahead and push the button 3 times. And just like before, push the green button once. Give it about 3 blinks. Go ahead and push the green button once again. Wait till it comes back to that fan cal and the other play button looking thing there. And then go ahead and push your blue button. And you're all set. So that's how you perform a bump test on your Exam 2500 air monitor. That's it.